because when I write, I like to be different. I like to be unique. I like to stand out. So I did something very special in this book. How many people know the character Little Miss Muffet? How many of us know Humpty Dumpty? How about Jack be nimble, Jack be quick, Jack jumped over the candle? Yes. So to be unique and to be different, I thought it would be so clever to take a whole bunch of nursery rhyme characters and put them in one poem. And that's the poem that I have in this book with other authors, and it sounds like this. Little boy blue, please cover your nose. You sneezed on Miss Muffet and ruined her clothes. You sprayed Mother Hubbard and now she's sick. You put out the fire on Jack's candlestick. Your sneeze is the reason why Humpty fell down. You drenched Yankee Doodle when he came to town. The blind mice are angry. The sheep are upset. From now on, use tissues so no one gets wet.